हेलो बच्चों, let's read the question. So the given question is of assertion and reason type. The question says assertion A, base in a transistor is made very thin as compared to collector and emitter regions. Reason are due to thin base, power gain and voltage gain is obtained by a transistor. So let us first revise the key concept behind this question. So what are the key concepts behind this question? So the first key concept behind this question is current gain. Its formula is, it is denoted by beta and its formula is given by delta IC upon delta IB. Here delta IC is current change in current in collector and delta IB is change in base current. Now, the second key concept behind this question is voltage gain. It is denoted as AV, which is given by beta into RL over small r. Here beta is current gain as in our first key concept. RL is the load resistance and small r is the sum of input resistance and the resistance across base terminal. Okay. Now the third key concept behind this question is power gain. So it is denoted by AP and is given by voltage gain into beta. Hence it can also be written as beta square into RL upon small r, where RL and small r have usual meanings. Now, considering these three key concepts, let us jump right into our solution. So for solution part, let's check assertion first. So assertion says base in a transistor is made very thin as compared to collector and emitter regions. So let us take the two cases of transistor. First is NPN transistor. This is NPN transistor. This is the emitter. This is base and this is collector. So in N side it is electron rich and in P side it is electron deficient, or we can say holes rich, and N side is again electron rich. Okay, so when an electron jumps from emitter to collector, if the base is wider than usual or it is of large size, then the electron will be captured in base itself, which will increase the current in base. So it will change delta IB and it will increase delta IB, which will result in, as beta formula is, delta IC upon delta IB. Now here IB is increasing, hence beta will be decreasing, which will give us that current gain will be decreasing. Similarly, voltage gain it is denoted by AV. Voltage gain AV is directly proportional to beta, as RL and R are constants. So AV is directly proportional to beta and beta is decreasing, so AV will also be decreasing. And similarly AP, which is power gain, it is directly proportional to beta square and beta is decreasing, so AP will also be decreasing. Now we need to achieve a circumstance where AP will be increasing, so we need to increase beta, which will only be achieved if delta IB is less. Hence, to achieve delta IB to be less, the base is made to be thinner, so that the recombination probability is decreased. Okay, so to decrease recombination probability, the base is made thinner than collector and emitter regions. And similarly, if we take a PNP type transistor, okay, so this is a PNP type transistor. This is emitter, this is base, and this is collector. So P is holes rich or electron deficient. The N type is electron rich, and P type is again holes rich. So if we assume a hole to be transferred from emitter to collector, if the base is too wider or too large in size, the hole will be captured in base itself, which will again result in increase of delta IB, and similar circumstance as discussed here. So to decrease delta IB, we need to again the base to be thin. Hence, in this case also the base is thinner to increase AP, which is power gain. Now let's check the assertion and reason. Base in a transistor is made very thin as compared to collector and emitter regions. Yes, assertion is true. And the reason, due to thin base, power gain and voltage gain are obtained by a transistor. Yes, it is obtained by transistor as it is not negligible. So we can see that option A, which says both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A, is correct. Let's highlight it here. Hence option A is the correct option to this solution. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.